In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Vantage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what details to provide, and how long it typically takes for your funds to arrive. We'll be using the client portal on a desktop. Start by logging in to your Vantage client portal through your web browser. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look for the tab or menu labeled Funds. Click that and then choose Withdrawal. This takes you to the dedicated withdrawal page where you'll complete everything in one place. Next, select the trading account you want to withdraw from. If you have multiple accounts, pick the one that holds the balance you plan to move. It's a good idea to make sure you have sufficient available funds and free margin before proceeding, especially if you have open positions. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Keep an eye on the currency displayed and make sure the number is correct before moving forward. If the portal shows your available balance, use that as a reference to avoid entering more than you can withdraw. Now, choose your withdrawal method. Vantage typically supports options like card, bank transfer, and e-wallet. Each method has different processing times and may have different requirements. If speed matters, keep that in mind here. If you're withdrawing back to a card or e-wallet, make sure you choose the same method you used to deposit when applicable, as that can streamline approval. Enter the required details for your selected method. For a bank transfer, that might include your account name, account number, and banking codes like SWIFT or IBAN. For a card or e-wallet, you may be asked for the relevant account or reference details. Type everything carefully to avoid delays from incorrect information. When everything looks right, click Withdraw Now. You should see a confirmation on screen, and you may receive a confirmation email as well. That's the official withdrawal process from start to finish. As for timing, withdrawals are usually processed by Vantage within 24 hours. After processing, the time it takes to receive money depends on your method. Card withdrawals commonly arrive in 1 to 3 business days. Bank transfers can take 1 to 5 business days, depending on your bank and region. E-wallet withdrawals are typically the fastest, ranging from instant to about 24 hours. Keep in mind that weekends, public holidays, and extra checks by your payment provider can add time. You can always keep an eye on the status in your portal and choose the method that best fits your timeline.